TradingView is a tool for traders which is free as well as have paid plans. If you are a beginner or just starting trading, free features are enough for you. But if you are an experienced trader and want an analysis chart in multiple windows with different time frames and unable to pay for the subscription due to any reason, then this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Just make sure to watch till the end. One thing is clear, that we cannot open multiple chart windows in our Chrome browser. So first we need to download TradingView desktop application. I have already installed, so I am opening that app. Sign in your account with your browser, or you can simply log in with email and password as well. Once you logged in, open a new tab from here and tap here to open the same chart in a new tab. Repeat this process 4 times like I'm doing right now. Then change time frame in different tabs according to your requirement as you want to analysis. Now drag these tabs to separate and adjust in your screen like this. Now, we can analysis Bitcoin price in 4 different charts within different time frames. This is the only way you can open multiple windows of charts. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.